Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Honor X8 louder. So, in the first step we have to go to the Play Store, then look for in the search bar, look for the volume app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Echo Div app, so we have to open it. Now click no thank you or yes agree 3 times and close the window. Now tap on the OK and the tool is active. Now if you want to increase your booster power, use that slider for it and swipe it to the right, the 60% max, so just adjust it to your needs and tap on the home screen. Now the tool is still active in the background, so if you want to disable it, open the app from the place, from the home screen or the background apps, choose stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.